Hello traders and welcome to another video analysis. Today is Thursday, November 18th, 2021. Let's start with the Forex calendar. As you can see, not much had been released overnight, but we got plenty of data during the New York session, because the London session is not that much full of events as well. 30-year bond auction in Spain and trade balance data from Switzerland had been released only. During the US session, we have a FOMC member Raphael Bostic's speech scheduled for release at 3 p.m. Then we have data from Canada, ADP non-farm employment change. As you can see, they are here. They are scheduled for this at half past 3. The market expects the ADP to increase from 9.6 thousand to 40,000. We got the Virgin Securities purchases drop from 26.30 to 20.05, and there is plenty of data from the US. Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index, unemployment claims, continuing claims, and then we have another speeches from FOMC member John Williams and FOMC member Charles Evans. So plenty of speeches from the FOMC members today. It looks like we are going to have a kind of a busy day with speeches. Nevertheless, except this kind of a news, kind of a data or comments from the officials, there isn't much really here that might move the markets today. Nevertheless, let's take a look at some charts, because there's plenty of data from the US. Let's start with the US dollar index. The US dollar index has hit the level of 95.66, which was the technical resistance, broke above this level and made a new swing high at 96.21. So this is very interesting development here after the ABC correction has been completed, and we have this bullish engulfing pattern here. Breakout candle, confirmation, consolidation, confirmation, continuation towards the technical resistance, and now we got this level here, and this level will be marked as a technical resistance, key technical resistance for now. The one thing that could worry is that there is kind of a shooting star candlestick here. Looks like a pin bar anyway. So please be careful with all the longs right now. We are on the yearly highs. 96.21 was the high. We just broke below the technical support and the previous technical resistance, 95.72. The market is out of the channel, both the yellow or gold channel and gray channel, and it looks like the extremely overbought market conditions might result in some sort of a pullback towards the lower levels. Of course, the next technical support is seen at 94.71, which is here. Let's make it green. The other technical supports are 94.47, which is here, and 94.27, which is here. So we got a group of a technical supports here. The other technical support worth to mention is the short-term technical support located at 95.24. So this is the current situation of US dollar index. Profit taking is taking place apparently. Let's take a look at another pair, and this one will be US dollar to Japanese yen. As you can see here, we have very interesting pattern made just yesterday. This is bearish engulfing pattern after the breakout of the highs of the wave 3 at 114.72 was made. The local high was made at 114.98, which means we have the new high as well. And this bearish engulfing pattern is very, very interesting because the target for the wave 5 is a little bit higher. The target for the wave 5 is at least at 116.11. But some market participants are already taking profits here after the wave 3 high breakout. Okay. Nevertheless, this is not 5 waves. There are only 3 waves here. 1, 2, 3, or A, B, and C to the upside. So, if we break below the level of 113.80, that means we are still in the wave 4. We are still in the wave 4, and wave 4 is being way dragged over the price and time, because after the bounce from the 50% of the Fibonacci retracement, we thought it might be completed like A, B, C. So not a problem here with the wave 4. Nevertheless, it should be 5 waves to the upside in order to complete the rally. So please pay attention to this level here, because any violation of this level would be a first indication of incoming down wave again. The wave 5 to the upside is still possible, but this is a very interesting price action indication of a weakness above the level of 114.72, above the wave 3 high. So that's the outlook for the US dollar to the Japanese yen. Let's take a look at the US dollar to Canadian dollar because of the Canadian data. So ABC correction had been completed, right? We got this ABC to the downside, hit in the market geometry level 127%, 1.2321, and then we slowly moving up. This is not apparently any sort of impulsive wave progression. That's the first thing, and let's see how does it fit to the price range of the wave, let's say B. The wave B is 3.24% up, and let's say how much up are we now? 2.27. So there is still some room for market to go higher. 3.24% is around here. So even if we will go a little bit higher towards 1.2688, somewhere around the old technical resistance, we should complete this bounce, and it will be almost the same rally to the upside, or bounce to the upside, basically, not rally, bounce to the upside as it was before. Even if we hit this level around 1.2655, it's roughly about 3%. So they are not the same, they are not quite the same, but as you can see, the dynamics of the movement to the upside here was way bigger. So we cannot expect right now, after this wave progression, we cannot expect the same dynamics here. So right now, please watch 1.2655. Eventually, if the market geometry works, please watch 1.2690 for a possible reversal on the US dollar to Canadian dollar. And I think we should take a look at Bitcoin today as well at the end of our analysis. What do we have here? As expected, we are going lower in wave C. So it looks like a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Now we are developing wave 4 to the downside, and then we need last push here in order to complete A, B, C corrective pattern to the downside, and that way overstretched wave 4 is ready. The other alternate scenario is that instead of the wave B, this move to the upside would be the wave 5. However, it doesn't look this is some sort of a 5-wave structure, impulsive structure. Maybe, but just maybe, it can be labeled as a ending diagonal, but that's way overstretched. It doesn't just look right. It doesn't look right for the wave 5 to the upside here in the wave B, but we can label it. We can force this labeling if we have to. But so far we got the wave A, wave B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave C, and then we'll have very nice corrective pattern to the downside completed, possibly around 57,750, and then of course bounce, and then market impulsive rally continuation towards one of these levels for the Bitcoin, starting from 74,748 to $78,908. That's everything for me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.